Holy crap, it's a bad storm.
Ready?
It looks like a hurricane out there.
Whoa, I'm getting wet. I'm getting soaked.
It's a really big storm out there. Like look at this. It looks like a hurricane. Like, geez, I don't know if you can see it that well. Let me try the other window. Rainy. So yeah, that's our weather forecast for today. It's really rainy. Mac, let's ask some people what they think about this. Max, what do you think about this weather forecast?
You talking to Max?
I think Max is concerned.
Max, what do you?
Hey, and citizen, what do you think of this?
Citizen? I'm a citizen.
Yes.
It's pretty bad out there. Stay inside if you can.
Was that litning?
Litning? Did you say litning?
Yeah. And that does it for today's weather forecast. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Toodles.